Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. In today's video we were doing weather versus people moments where weather won. As always, like and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. We're only like 100 something away. And let's get started with this video. Bye. See you there. Put that over there. Okay, let's get this going. Oh, it's the thumbnail. Oh. Guys, this is America's funniest home videos. Don't judge me. Sorry I didn't upload, by the way, yesterday. Oh, we got splashed.
This is how we put the trash.
Just let me run around, baby, run around like a record player, run around, right. Okay, wind? Why is it so windy? My hair sucks. My hair sucks.
It's a water
Oh.
Oh my.
You got dirty. They blocked the door. Oh, that's bad. That's so bad. We've already seen this part. Oh, wait, this part too.
I got two of them. So I can
Is
run
it
into my
flooded?
neighbor's yard.
It's flooded.
You know what would be awesome if lightning struck me right now?
Oh, that was a coincidence. Okay, he's sliding. Yeah, get low so you don't fall smart. Wow, you're going fast. The dog's just trying to help her.
It is blowing away.
The wind is so strong, he's trying to take the tent. Ice cream! No! It's so messy! Just feed it. Okay. Whoa! Okay, it's flooded. Oh!
It's still standing. I cannot get over how windy it is.
I'm just gonna fall over. Exactly. Yeah,
oh.
pushes it.
Oh my god.
There it goes.
Okay, so the roof is leaking.
That's
It's
a
raining
tall roof.
inside, and somebody put some helpful buckets. Very helpful. So helpful.
There's a
So
hole in the
today's my
bucket.
birthday, and all my friends are coming
Happy birthday.
over. So I'm so happy. It's such a beautiful day outside. As you can see, clear sky.
Whoa! Got struck by lightning. That's bad. Don't open the window. It's gonna fall backwards. I say this every video. They never listen to me because humanity's stupid.
All done.
Trying to have a birthday party. The cake. How strong is that wind? Oh, just got slammed onto the ground. It's chasing the dog. That's fake.
Go out.
Let's go, Angel.
Go outside.
You got it?
Go outside in the snow. What?
Be careful on the ice.
Check this. Oh, it slipped because of ice. That sucks. Go up the slide. How'd that work for you? Watch out for the dog. No! He's in the water. Oh, that's cool. There goes the plate. He's trying to put it up there, be a good kid, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Stuck to the side of his face. Wow, that mud is deep. Good luck getting your boot out.
My knee.
You had to hit the one guy. You had to hit the one guy. Golf? It's so windy. Yeah, we're playing the rain, kid. That sounds like fun. I can't do that because I'm 15. Oh, he's cold.
Wait, no, Liam, stop.
Oh, you're getting the carpet all wet.
It's pouring.
Rain day, oh man, it's all thunder. Okay, doing good. Oh, not drift car. We saw one of these on last video. Run! Run! Go outside playing the hurricane, tsunami, whatever it is. Kid doesn't like the lightning. Hi, doggy. Come on, doggy. Dog's gonna dart for it and then thunder. Yep, told you. There it goes. They're done. Why didn't they stick it down? Oh, now it's all muddy. Now you gotta take a shower. Hold on. Hold on, what just happened? Did he get speared by his own thing? It's funny. Nice! Nope. It's like somebody needs to drive by and just splash him. Ah, more thunder. Die flop. Oh, I thought it would have been better.
Don't go in that water. These storms have never been captured on live.
Wow, that's a big lightning thunder.
Come here, box.
Somebody's inside the box. That way they don't even get wet. He's gonna fall. Nope. Now you're all dirty. Rollerblading? There's no way! That's cool! That's weird. Oh, took out the kid.
It's raining popcorn.
Raining popcorn. No, that's hail.
They're hungry.
That's hail.
He just fell in the balloon.
What did you do?
He just did this. He was one, two.
And I did it again. And they both did it.
What's going on today, Weatherman Braxton?
Getting blown all over the place. Running. Having fun. What else is he gonna do? Oh yeah, you got scared by the thunder like everyone else does. Oh, he's crying.
You're done.
And now what?
Now you're done. Oh, cold. Cold. Get off my face.
Get it out of my face! Messing around in the raincoat until you fall over. Oh. Oh wow, what is that invention? I need that. Oh, it's a kid! Wait, hold up. I think that was a kid in front of a shovel. I need to do that with my little brother. Crash.
Ooh, it feels weird, huh?
Oh, he's down.
Rainstorm.
Rainstorm?
We're at Tappan Lake.
His reaction was priceless. Oh, poor kid's crying. Oh, that hurt. Tornado.
Bad. I'm taking pictures.
But we're storm chasers.
No, we're not.
You failed. Probably hurts because it's a bunch of hail. Oh. Okay, doing good. Rain jacket. Don't run up the slide when it's wet. I've been there, I've done that. It doesn't work. Ooh, sniped by the parasail. Whoa. Soccer. Oh, face plant. Are they kayaking in the neighborhood?
It's gonna storm and it's 6:01 and outdoor it's 105 degrees and it feels like 116 degrees. It's
What?
so hot outside, bro.
Yeah. You're dead. Dandelion. They put it. Doing good. Oh. Oh. Good luck getting your foot out. It's gonna hurt. That's some big waves. Look at them. They're pretty. Oh. Lucky the camera didn't get smacked out of your hand. Run. I don't watch some Bushwhack 19. Bushwhack 18. Comment down below if you know that YouTuber.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
The umbrella's broken. Mowing the lawn in hail. It broke! Yeah, that thing's gone. That thing's gone. That's a bad rainstorm.
Again, but I'm not gonna.
Don't let them get wet.
Don't let what get wet.
I'm crying.
Oh, they're still struggling with that umbrella.
I
Okay.
got sand in my eye.
Ah, I wonder why they're why it's struggling so bad. How strong is that wind? And then he got blown over. Oh, that's unlucky. I would genuinely be so mad. Oh, he's down. He's down. Run! His pants fell down.
Fuck here.
What are they doing? Oh, it's ice! Yeah, you just gotta hold on. Don't take the door off, that's funny. Sun tanning in the snow. Huh. That's, I could say that's definitely a first. Oh yeah, I've never seen that before. Wow, it's raining really bad. I didn't even realize. Don't fall. Don't
This is
fall.
how people break bones. You're gonna die.
Ow. Icicles? Ow! Ow! Don't pop it. You pop it, it's gonna spill everywhere. It's probably full of like nasty water. Ew. Ew.
Here we go. Whoa!
That wind is so strong. Wow, he's really strong. He's just taking a shower. I immediately saw the thunder and left there.
That bag right there. Free hot
What is that?
Coming at you.
What is this? Is that a hot tub? Oh! Wow, she got lifted. If she stayed on that, she would have been gone.
Thank you so much for helping us.
There goes your foot. Keep doggy. Wow, that's a really bad flood. That's like halfway to the ceiling. That's almost half a story. Oh, right in the head. What's he grabbing?
Oh my god, look at that.
Look at the bush.
I'm afraid.
It's squishing back and forth. What's gonna happen here? Trash can. Trash can's moving for no reason. Fishing. Is he gonna actually catch a fish? Hopefully he actually catches a fish. That would be awesome. Mowing the lawn. Hey. Oh, it's not even that deep.
Blood at Crystal Lake.
Just jump. Jump. I want to do that. Oh, he's playing around. Oh, that's sad.
Come on.
I'm trying to get the wind to take it. There he goes. There he goes. No, bro, let's put this side up. Going back. He's pulling by a lawnmower. That's honestly cool. I can't hear anything, Logan. Should I get a new microphone, guys, or should I keep my earbud? I think about getting a new microphone.
And there goes her daughter with a cardboard box.
Oh, hit the car.
She ran into the truck. That's awesome.
What are you doing with your...
He has to speed up.
Oh my god.
That's so stupid. You saw when he's flipped, so it's not funny.
Turn it around.
We're getting married. Congrats. What?
I don't know why the game isn't canceled yet. Because we're out here in the elements. And we're just
The game's not canceled? My school's games get canceled.
It's grounded. Soccer must go on.
Hail. Ooh, that's some big hail. I wonder if it'll crack the windshield. You can hear it. It's just like huge. I remember one time the windshield cracked a bunch because of the hail mowing the lawn in the rain. Oh. Oh, that's that's funny. Ooh. Sometimes I want to just take it out of it. That's two best friends.
Push it! Now the other way!
That's not. I guess that would work.
Okay, here we go.
No, don't go. I want to video. No, Mom. No.
Yeah, the wind is really strong. Couldn't close the door. The wind is so strong. Oh, more trash cans. Here's a runner, she's a track star, and she's gonna get far. Same person struggling. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, like I said in the beginning. Oh, sorry about my thumb getting away. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.